Hey, what's happening everyone? Welcome to the Money Button channel. My name is Fitsudeya and today I am doing an honest review, my non-biased opinion about the Epic Trading platform. In this video, I will give you the pros and cons to the Epic Trading platform, and by the end of this video, you will have a good idea whether you would like to join the Epic Trading team. So what is Epic Trading? Epic Trading is an education platform that teaches you everything about Forex trading or the Forex market. To maximize your earning capabilities, Epic Trading have coupled a referral program and you can choose to be a part of it if you like. So that's pretty much it. Epic Trading is an education platform with a referral program. But the first thing to note is Epic Trading have structured a way where you can access this education at any time of the day to your convenience. A beginners, intermediate and advanced courses for you to learn everything about trading so you become comfortable and evidently taking your first trade. To gain access to this information, all you need to pay is $135 USD per month and you can opt out at any time. What is Forex trading? I'm going to show you a short video, and by the end of this video you will have a good concept or good understanding of what Forex trading is.
If you've ever traveled to a foreign country, you may have needed to exchange your money. If so, you've already participated in Forex trading. Forex is the short form of foreign exchange. Well, Forex is a bit more than that. For example, companies buy goods from other countries. In order to buy them, they need to obtain the local currency first, just like us when going on holiday. The difference is they will exchange huge amounts. When these companies exchange these huge amounts, they will actually move the price because of the demand of the currency that they need increases. When the demand increases, the price increases. With all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. This is how it works. When currencies are exchanged, they have a certain price, the exchange rate. As in any market, the price of a currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Say you live in Europe and went on holiday to the United States. Let's say that you change your 500 euros into US dollars at a rate of $1.4 for every euro. You got 700 US dollars, but you do not spend any money at all. So you still have $700 after you come back. After the exchange rate moves from 1.4 to 1.3, instead of getting just 500 euro back, you actually get 538.5 euros. You have gained 38.5 euros. Simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market. We buy a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it whilst the exchange rate moves, then change it back, making money along the way. How to decide when the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach you throughout the rest of our learning lessons. As you can imagine, traveling a lot and saving a bit of money in your holiday budget and then exchanging it, it's not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this. You could trade currency through online exchange offices called brokers. What this means is that you could exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just as in the example of when you went on holiday, you could buy different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading the Forex market. Trading Forex online with the broker has many benefits. You could trade Forex from your home or anywhere that you have an internet connection. The Forex market never sleeps. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And so you could suit your daily routine. You do not need a huge budget to get started. As little as $150 is enough to begin trading and building your account over time. Of course, it will require some learning until you get there, but this is exactly what we teach how to master at Epic Trading. To help you learn how to trade in a way that could suit your individual lifestyle and to help you navigate your way through the Forex market.
So Forex trading takes advantage of price fluctuations within the Forex market. By borrowing funds, a terminology they call leveraging, traders are able to increase their winnings from relatively small price changes. But you can also lose as well. Yes, that is correct. You can lose just as much as you can win. And this is the hard, honest truth that not many people will tell you about Forex trading. But through education, hard work, because nothing is free in this world, Epic Trading aims to limit your losses so you can enjoy winning and be successful in your trading career. It also is an introduction to understand how investing works or how the markets operate. If you learn this education, you will have this knowledge for the rest of your life wherever you go. You will also have a way to earn an income if you master the art of trading. The choice is yours. The value is there. The Epic Trading referral program is very different to referral programs out there. You don't need to sell a product or service to keep the platform alive. The Epic Trading platform uses an already established industry that turns over $6.6 trillion daily, which is the Forex market. Forex trading isn't going anywhere. To be a part of the referral program, you first need to become an IBO, an independent business owner. That comes at an additional cost of $14.95 USD per month. To start earning from the compensation plan, all you need to do is sign in 3 referrals. Once you have signed 3 referrals, your monthly membership fee of $135 USD is paid for. The possibilities of how much you can earn is entirely up to you. And while you add referrals and your team add referrals, they all count to the total number of members in your compensation plan, making you earn more money while climbing faster. To complement your education, you can attend the live trading sessions. This will allow you to look over the shoulders of world-class Forex traders to give you an insider's look at the same charts, patterns, strategies, and setups they use, so you can make the same trades yourself.
Recording in progress. Me personally, DXY is bullish for me. And I'm just gonna show you what I have. I'm not gonna send anything because again, it goes against everything you guys are doing right now.
Epic Trading also gives you access to their Epic Forex signals, trade ideas and alerts that are sent out through the day from the Epic Trading team. You can choose to take the signals if you like. My final thought, I will leave you with this. Through my journey of joining with the Epic Trading team, I have learned a great deal of knowledge. But the most rewarding part about the Epic Trading platform is the support system behind it. The team is not like any other, and they have brought a family environment to make you excel in your learning capabilities. That, I believe, is priceless. If you would like to join my team, I'll leave you my link below so we can build our Epic Trading empire together. I'll also leave you my personal Facebook page to keep in contact. Thank you for your time, and if you liked this video and found this information valuable, please like and subscribe so you can keep updated for more content to come.